Today I am in my home region, Asturias. You and I, we're going to do so many things together. We risk our lives fishing for precious gooseneck barnacles. We visit a centuries-old cheese market. We eat a caramelized and creamy rice dessert. Back in America, we cook crispy, fresh monkfish. And you will impress your friends with simple tomatoes and a traditional Asturias cheese. I am José Andrés, and this is Made in Spain.
Adelantando voy, dando despacio, pero adelantando, volando bajo, de a poco va, no me paro, adelantando estoy, el movimiento lento pero avanzando, adelantando pasito a paso, más cortos, más largos, pero siempre hacia adelante.
Every time I come to New York, I love to come to the Lower Manhattan, to this beautiful place called España. Here you can find very unique products from all over in Spain. And here they have a very, very good selection of cheeses from my home region, Asturias. Cabrales, La Peral,